So today we're going to talk about this glass backsplash installation. Stay tuned. Here we go. Welcome back to the channel, guys. Donnie D back at you with Donnie D's Tile and Remodeling LLC out of Spotswood, New Jersey. So today we're going to talk about this glass backsplash installation that was done over the summer of 2024. These were a 2.5 by 8 inch glass tile. I had to paint it back to it. Tile was installed, as you can see here. This is during the progress with a 1/16 grout joint and a 50% offset, which also is known as a brick pattern. The kitchen backsplash was around anywhere between 20 and 30 square feet that was installed. We had to profile any edges to cap off every edge. The countertops were protected as much as possible in drop cloths on the floor, making sure we keep the job site as clean as possible. During your backsplash installation, you will be able to use your sink if you need to, but ideally you want to not use that area at all, so that way the counter protection can stay like it is, and once everything is done, you pull it all off and you pretty much got a clean slate to go back to use your kitchen. So now we're going to talk about what was involved, how much time this took me to install the project, and what the client paid me to do it, what they supplied and what I supplied, okay? First thing it took, as far as time-wise, I spent about 4 days on site. Not all days were full 8-hour days, some were 9.5-hour days, but to give you an example, day 1 I spent about 7.5 hours, day 2 was 9.5, day 3 was only 2.5 on site. I just pretty much came back there just to clean up everything because I didn't want to leave the spaces in over the weekend because they're hard to get out. Then I came back for the 4th day for 5 hours to clean up everything, grout the entire backsplash in silicone where it could, and then giving it back to the homeowner. Homeowner wanted to put the outlets back in. They have to adjust them, so this is the way I left it for them. So that's how much time I have into it as far as the hours go. The total amount of hours were 24.5 hours on site I spent for this project. The client supplied the tile, the grout, and all the caulking necessary for the project. So as far as what they paid me to do the installation, the total amount that they paid me, I supplied the setting materials, the counter protection and drop cloths, things like that for the job site installation and job site protection. They supply what I just mentioned before. But the total amount that they paid me to do the project was $2,800. I hope this helps inform you what was involved on this project and what was paid to me at the time in summer of 2024 to do this installation for this client. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you on the next video. Donnie D signing off.